Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Geek. In my previous video, you seen how to make a bootable USB of Black Hat Linux. Due to that method, pen drive capacity converted into 64 MB. So today I am going to talk about how to repair corrupted pen drive. You need Minitool Partition Wizard software to repair your USB drive. You can find the link of software in description box. Download it and install it. After installation of your software, open it and then click on first partition of your pen drive, which have a capacity about 64 MB, and then click on delete button. Then select the partition of disk 2 and click on create button. Then enter name for pen drive label. Make sure you selected make as a logical. Then select drive letter. Then select size of partition. And click on OK. Then click on apply and click on yes and wait until it completed. It takes about 1 minute to create a partition. Okay, after completing, go in this PC, check your pen drive capacity. If you don't found, click on refresh button or press F5 key from keyboard. You can see I got all space of my pen drive. I hope you like my video. Please click on like button if you like my video. And please subscribe my channel for more tech videos.